What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jadoremae, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing the usual silk press on some healthy hair. It's been a while, I know. I'm not even going to get into that. Y'all know how that goes. But if you like to see me silk press my clients' hair, stay tuned. So of course we're starting on freshly washed hair because hair starts at the shampoo bowl. I don't know what it is with this new millennium that feels like they don't have to wash hair, but it's not me. So before you begin blow drying your client's hair or applying any type of heat, of course, you want to go ahead and add your heat protectant in. You do not want to do any type of blow drying, any type of flat ironing to your client's hair, especially when they're natural, if you have not added some type of heat protectant. Please note that heat protectant and oil are two different things. You can buy oil that is not a heat protectant, and normally a good heat protectant is not oil based, so just know that. So getting straight into it, you're just going to go through and blow dry your client's hair. I like to personally use the tension method. I am not a fan of the blow drying comb. The first school I went to, which was Paul Mitchell, the school of Cleveland, they taught us that was unprofessional, so it just kind of stuck with me. If I'm doing a pronto or a sew-in, I just need a quick blow dry, then that works for me. But I do not prefer to use a blow drying comb. I just like to go through with my Denman brush and use the tension method with my blow dryer. And you're just going to continue to do this to all 4 sections of your client's hair until the hair is bone straight. You guys, this is where most of your work is. If you guys cannot get it right through the blow dry, you will not get it right on the flat iron. If your client's hair is not basically silky smooth when you're done blow drying, then you have not done it right. Another thing I want to say is healthy hair and a good silk press starts at the shampoo bowl. So if the correct shampoos are not being used, you will not get these results. Once I'm done blow drying, I like to go in with the light silky smooth serum, nothing heavy. And even with the silky smooth, the light serum, I still only use a very little bit. This is just kind of to lay down the flyaways and any split ends that she may have in between trims. I like to use a light oil, and this is not for all my clients. All my clients do not need this before I press their hair. I just use it if I see a few flyaways after I'm done blow drying. So once you've applied your serum, you're going to go ahead and split it right back into 4 sections like I'm doing here, and you're going to begin the process of silk pressing. I know a lot of videos I've watched on YouTube in the past when I was kind of learning and getting the gist of things, they like to start in the front, but I like to start in the back. I don't know why. I feel like the back is the fuller, harder section, and then the front is the easiest. So I like to start with the hardest and then proceed with the easiest. So I like to start in the back. The clip you see me use is the alligator clip. It just makes things easier when I'm trying to move along instead of using the butterfly clip. Any section I'm working in at the time, I always use my alligator clip over my butterfly clip. So what I'm doing now, I'm just pressing my client's nape. Y'all, please don't leave y'all client's nape nappy, okay? And then you're going to proceed to just continue to flat iron the hair as you see me doing here, all the way up until you reach the top and you move on to the next section. And you're going to continue this until you reach all 4 sections. So I'm going to let you guys watch this process, and I'll be back when we reach the next step. Once you finish with all 4 sections in the front, you're going to go ahead and wrap your client with saran wrap and put her under the dryer. I know a lot of stylists don't do this either. Oop, I just hit my client. I did apologize, but I know a lot of I can't talk today. I know a lot of stylists don't do this either, but I feel like it's just not right to do a silk wrap without silk wrapping your client. Like, what sense does that make? So I've always, since day one, silk wrapped my client and put her under the dryer. You do not have to put her under the dryer for 45 minutes. Let's be real. You don't want to sweat it out. But what you do want to do is put her under the dryer for at least 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how many flyaways and how untamed or untrained her hair is. The more untrained her hair is, the longer you want to put her under there, but do not exceed 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're done with that, you just unwrap your client, and these are your results. Yes, look at those results. So pretty, so silky, so bouncy. And don't get me wrong, guys, this definitely takes practice, but the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. And like I said before, healthy hair starts at the shampoo bowl. So there's no way in hell you can tell your client to come shampoo, washed and blow dry, and expect to get the same results, because 9 times out of 10 they don't know what they're doing, and that's why they're coming to you. So this is pretty much it, guys. These are the final results. My client's hair is so silky, so pretty, so bouncy. If you want to follow my social media, it'll be linked at the end of the video, as well as in the description box below. If you have any questions, you can leave that as well in the comment section. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.